Hey guys, today I am testing out the brand new DJI Mini 3, this entry-level drone by DJI, testing out the camera in low light, so a nighttime video and camera test. This small entry-level drone has some fantastic features on that camera. Being an f1.7 aperture means it's going to let more light in, it's going to be good for low light video and photos, and it can shoot in vertical. So I've come to the Christmassy seaside resort of Blackpool to get some photos and videos using the DJI RC. So let's get the drone in the air and see just how good it is. So already this is looking pretty good, isn't it? Not a lot of noise in that video. I am going to change some of the settings. I do recommend you doing this as well for nighttime videos. I don't shoot in auto because it just bumps the ISO up automatically. So I'm going to change my shutter speed. And for nighttime shots, I like it actually to be slightly underexposed. So it actually isn't a lot of noise in the video, and then you can see these colors really popping. And also you don't want your ISO to be too high because that's then going to introduce grain and noise into that video. So you can see now already that starting to look better. So now let's go and see how this video does on way to the tower, and then I'm going to keep my white balance also on auto because of all these fluctuating colors. So what do you think of that? Considering this is an entry-level drone, I am really impressed with that video. And look at photos as well. So I'm going to keep it in Pro settings. So let's adjust that shutter speed. Again, Pro settings is the way to go because in auto, the drone's just going to bump that ISO up, and you want your ISO to be as low as possible to prevent any noise. But look at the photos that you can get out of this. I mean, that just looks spectacular. And you can even drag the shutter speed right down to try and get some long exposure shots as well. So again, let's don't forget, this is an entry-level drone. So far, so good. Right, I'm going to talk to you now about the sponsor of this video, and I'm going to look at all the vertical videos on here as well, and a few more photos. Now, you know I love Artlist for music and sound effects, and they've just changed the game completely, introducing now Artlist Max. So now you get music, sound effects, footage, templates, plugins, and an editor all in one. So for music, this is fantastic high quality music. You can look at the genre page for what's trending, like now Christmas songs, or you can search, for instance, cinematic, and get high quality cinematic music that you can use on drone videos. I also use the sound effects, wind noises, water, whooshes and whips. I can download them instantly onto my timeline. But I also use stock video a lot to portray that story. You now get this bundled in as well, so you can search for thousands of stock video and use them license free. But you know, motion graphics and lower thirds templates are also super important. You also get access to them, so you can type in lower thirds and then choose from thousands of different titles and plugins that then you can use on your editor program. And talking of editor, you also get a free editor included in this bundle. So the social creator plan for music and sound effects starts at $9.99 a month, and the max social plan starts at $29.99 a month. And if you use my link, you also get an additional 2 months free. So this max plan is absolutely awesome for any creators out there. So thanks so much for listening to this, and let's get back to the video. So I'm really impressed with the video quality coming from this DJI Mini 3, but let's not forget we've got vertical photos and videos as well. So we can go onto the screen and we can click on this button here, and this will change the orientation straight away. Now we've got vertical video. So this is great for perspective and for sharing for social media to Instagram Reels or TikTok, so you can take photos and videos and share it instantly without losing quality. Let's have a look at it. So that came out really good. I'm just a bit speechless really that this is an entry-level drone. You can do this. This is incredible. And look at the photos you can capture with long exposure photos coming straight out of this DJI Mini 3. So super impressive. This is going to be such a great seller at Christmas time. And also for anybody who is wanting to get into drones. I've done videos now showing you what it's like in the daytime, but nighttime, a low light video can be super exciting but challenging to film. So this, I hope, is a great eye-opener that you can get really good quality video and photos even with an entry-level drone like the DJI Mini 3. So if you want to buy the DJI Mini 3 and support this channel, I'll link it all in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed this. If you did, a like and subscribe would be awesome. Go and check out Artlist, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye bye.